We said that JavaScript has 6 different primitive data types, and one of them is string. A string is anything between either single quotes or double quotes. So let's see some examples. I'm gonna have a variable here called s1 that's gonna be equal to single quotes and hello in there. And s2 that's gonna be equal to double quotes, and I'm gonna say hello again. And s3 is gonna be equal to single quotes, which are empty. So these are all strings. If I console log all of them, s1, s2, and s3, I get here hello, hello again, and that empty string, and it's black, so we know that's actually a string. And you can also create strings using what's known as a constructor function. Let's see that. I'm gonna have a variable called s4 here, and I'm gonna say new and string with a capital S, and inside of parentheses I'm gonna have quotes, either single or double quotes, and I'm gonna say hello in here. So this is the same as, for example, this one here. Let me actually have single quotes just to make it literally the same. So this here is the same as this s1, but this is known as a string literal, and this is known as a constructor function. So s4 will be classed as an object rather than a primitive data type, which string is. So if I console log type of s1 and type of s4, you see I get string and object. So once again, s4 is classed as object because it was made with the constructor function. You should stick to using the string literal notation, such as this one right here. There's no need to use the constructor function. If you want to use single quotes within a string or double quotes, you need to enclose the string with the opposite quotes. So for example, let's see, I'm gonna have an s5 here, and I want to display double quotes, so I'm gonna enclose the string in single quotes and then have double quotes in here, and I'm gonna say double quotes here and console log that, and as you can see, I can actually see the double quotes. And same goes for single quotes, just the opposite. So I'm gonna have double quotes. Double quotes are gonna enclose the string and have single quotes in there, and s6 here. I'm gonna call it s6 here as well in console log, and here it is. Okay. So for example, something like, let me have a variable here s7, let's say single quotes, and I'm John, for example, like this isn't gonna work. You can see in VS Code it's colored differently, which means it's a problem. And as I said, you can't have surrounding quotes of one type and then have them inside of the string as well, such as this right here. So for this to work, you need to escape it, which is done with the backward slash, so like so. Now this single quote is gonna be treated as a single quote, not as something that's supposed to denote a string. Okay, so if I console log s7 now, I get I'm John with that single quote here, it's fine. And you also use the backslash to escape special characters such as new line or tab. So I can say, for example, single quotes here and hello and backslash and t for tab there. So let's see. And then as you can see, I get that tab spacing in here. And to actually write the backslash, you escape a backslash with a backslash. So double backslash is gonna render one backslash. Okay. That's gonna be it for this video. See you in the next one.